Now we are going to discuss a simple registration form using bootstrapping again with PHP and MySQL. So here this is my registration page, and I have removed this page. I have removed this page and I just pasted a form created with Bootstrap. So I'm just copying the code as it is. I'm not changing anything. This code is downloaded from the internet. So here I have copied this and I have placed this one. So just refresh this one. So I got a bootstrapping form with the validation also. So here I came here and I don't need this one, enter message, please remove this one. And after that I don't need the confirm email also, remove this one. So now I have only two fields. One is enter name and second one is enter email, but I don't want this one also. So just replace this one. So we have only name and enter email, and I am asking some other things from the user. So those are, so I am asking his password. So here it's password and placeholder is password, and here type equal to password. Then here I have given name is password, and here I have given name is email. Then here name is, it just empty name. And after that I have asked, I'm creating few other fields like mobile. So here it's a text box, and here name is mobile, and here placeholder is enter mobile. Now just execute, refresh this one. So just refresh this one. So we got enter name, enter email, enter password, enter mobile, totally four fields. And after that I am creating one more thing also. So it's gender. So just change this label. So okay, first create the gender. So here it's type equal to radio, and then I don't need required field here. It's male, and I don't need this span. So same radio, and here name equal to gender. Here also gender, and now it's female. So here value equal to male, and then here value equal to female. So now within my registration form I have five values, and it look at this, these are values are displaying one by one. So I don't want one by one, so I am removing this class. So just refresh this one. So we got one by one. I want a little bit space here. I just applied a little bit space. Right. So here We have within our registration form we have 5 pages, so 5 fields. First one I am asking the name, second one asking the email, third one asking the password, and fourth one asking is mobile, and fifth one asking is gender. So to store these values I want a database, I want a table in my database. So go to your PHP myadmin, go to your PHP myadmin. So I want for 5 fields I want 5 values. So I want to select a database, so I have a database called project, and here I have a table called users. So look at what are the values it contains. So name, email, password. uh, I want few other fields also. So just uh, so go to the structure and then add so here mobile number and gender, and totally I'm adding 4 fields. After the password, click on the go. So it's creating 4. So first one is I am asking is mobile number, and then I have given integer, and I given 10. So I don't want anything here. So here 10, and I don't want to give any unique keys or primary keys or any other keys. So after that mobile, and here I have given gender. So I selected enum data type instead of any other thing, because user can select only one option out of multiple options when giving the gender enum. So I have given 2 options called male or female. User can select only one of male or female. If user not selected anything, it will select automatically first option. So here it's created on, and I have given it's the value is big int, because I will store this timestamp. So when we are storing this timestamp, in the sense I can convert the timestamp into any format. So here, and the final one is status. So status is integer, and I have given only one value, and go to the default here. So here default, and I just selected this as defined, and I am select given the value is 0, and click on the save button. So table is altered. So now we have ID, name, email, mobile, gender, and created and status. I don't want any record here, so I have removed this. So we have a empty table without any data. So going here, and then just enter the some values, enter some values, and then click on the submit button. Click on the submit button. So please enter a valid email. So now click on the submit button. So values will be submitted to server. Here I did not mention any method. So default method is our method is post get method. So that's why total data is submitted in get method format, but I don't want in get method. So that's why I'm changing my method is post. So I don't have any file upload in my project, so no need to encrypt our form data. I can directly send the data in plain format also. So here change the name. So here it's okay, email is fine, then its password is fine, then it's mobile, okay, everything is fine. So first check form submitted or not. When the submit form is submitted, automatically I will get this value also with form. So just I am checking form is submitted or not. Is set of dollar underscore post of submit. So when the form is submitted, just get the values one by one. What are the values you entered? So to check that values, just print underscore r of dollar underscore post. So just execute these values and I entered again. It's test. Here mail is test and I entered some password and here I entered some number. So I don't have any validation here. I selected female and click on the submit button. So when the values are submitted, still it is submitting through get method. So I don't want submitted through get method. So just check this one, refresh again. So go to our code and I think I have changed the name. Method is post. So just execute this one and refresh it again. So test, I entered the name. Selected and click on the submit button. So values is submitted using my post. Here what are the values are submitted? Name is test, email is test at the rate of gmail.com, password is at test, and mobile is, so I entered test value and gender because I did not given the mobile number validation, that's why it is not validating. And finally it's submitted, submit, get the values individually. Here data is submitted through post, so I can use $_ post or request. When data is submitted through only get, I can use only get variable or request. So here I am using post method. So remove this. So $_ name equal to $_ post of name. Like this, get the all the values submitted by user. So here, what are the values he has submitted? An email,